Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about collective nouns. Let's get started. Now, a collective noun is used to refer to an entire group of people, animals, or things. Therefore, it includes more than one member. Have a look at the example over here. My family is very big. The word family in this sentence is a collective noun, and it is referring to an entire group of people. A collective noun can refer to several things. A. People, such as family, class, committee, staff, etc. B. Animals, a pack of dogs, a swarm of flies, a herd of horses, a litter of puppies, etc. C. Things, pack, set, bunch, stack, etc. Now remember that when the members within one group behave in the same manner, they are part of a collective noun. Thus, this noun becomes singular and requires a singular verb, as in the example below. Every day, the football team follows its coach out to the field for practice. Note that the members in this football team behave in the same manner. And when the members are acting as individuals, the collective noun is plural and requires a plural verb. Now, in many cases, it may sound more natural to make the subject plural informed by adding words like members, mates, etc. Have a look at the example below. After the practice, the teammates shower, change into their casual clothes, and head to their homes. Note that the members of this group are acting as individuals. They are showering, changing into their casual clothes, and heading to their homes individually. Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that collective nouns can refer to people, animals, or things. Now read the following sentences and underline them. The jury is about to decide whether the man is guilty. The jury. A pack of wolves hunts at night. A pack of wolves. I can't believe he smokes a pack of cigarettes a day. A pack of cigarettes a day. Remember that when the members within one group behave in the same manner, they are part of a collective noun. Thus, this noun becomes singular and requires a singular verb. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the verb in the bracket. The orchestra often to play at the gala. The orchestra often plays at the gala. Also remember that when the members are acting as individuals, the collective noun is plural and requires a plural verb. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate form of the verb in the bracket. Right now, the cast to practice their lines before shooting. Right now, the cast are practicing their lines before shooting. Here is a short story using collective nouns. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I had the most amazing time backpacking with my classmates. Did you like Canada and its nature? I sure did. A range of mountains was magical, and the animals I've seen, a flutter of tiny butterflies, a herd of deer, and a family of beavers. Yeah, it's not something you can see here. True, I wanted to create some long-lasting memories of this experience, so I tried taking a sequence of photos, not disturbing the wildlife and just observing it from the safe distance. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following list of words and form collective nouns. A band of. B, a flock of. C, a team of. D, a pair of. E, an army of. F, a bouquet of. G, a hive of. H, a pride of. I, a choir of. J, a galaxy of. 1, sheep. 2, ants. 3, stars. 4, singers. 5, flowers. 6, players. 7, lions. 8, musicians. 9, bees. 10, shoes. And now, let's check your answers. A band of musicians, a flock of sheep, a team of players, a pair of shoes, an army of ants, a bouquet of flowers, a hive of bees, a pride of lions, a choir of singers, a galaxy of stars. Thank you for watching this tutorial.